We all want rewards and sometimes even awards for the things we do. As a student, my reward for studying hard was getting good grades. Or as a person putting out videos online, my reward might be the number of views or subscribers. But there are a few things in life which should only be done for the pure joy of doing it. Just for the sake of it, For me, that would be writing. Of course, I won't say no to rewards, but I guess writing for me is different. I write because I love the unpredictability of the process. I don't know which word would flow out of my pen the next. I enjoy writing, so I write, just for the sheer joy of it. Not for my writing to win Nobel Prizes or Pulitzer Prizes. I'm constantly inspired by creative people, writers, filmmakers, painters. I am also inspired by my surroundings, the people I meet and the stories I hear. I just love to soak it all in, and I guess my creative pursuits reflect that. So even in my writing, be it my fictional writing or the non-fictional, I tend to borrow flavors from my memory, from my surroundings. But I guess not only regarding writing, but also any other pursuit can be taken up for the sheer joy of it. Painting an apple, a house or a mountain, baking a chocolate cake, watering the flower pots and seeing the flowers bloom in time. Why? Because it brings you joy, it brings you happiness, a sense of satisfaction or a sense of purpose maybe. Elizabeth Gilbert in her book Big Magic writes about the fear that all of us have. The fear of judgment, the fear of failure. And I guess it's not something unusual. At the end, we are just human beings. These fears hold us back from doing the things that maybe we want to do. And it holds us back from being our authentic self. I'm scared of a lot of things. I'm scared of being vulnerable. And I'm scared that if my parents, my friends or anybody will judge me for, the kind of videos I put out, if they judge me, I'm scared of that. And even regarding my writings, I'm very scared to put out my things, and I think that's very normal. But it just makes me so sad to think that there are so many people out there who did not have the courage because they were so, they succumbed to their fears and they just did not put out their brilliant ideas into the world. And maybe we have lost thousands and millions of brilliant ideas because we are still scared to put out our ideas out to the world because we fear judgment or failure. Writing for me is one such devotion. I love to write, but I'm scared to put my work out into the world. But you know what I have realized? Sometimes my writings can also be only for myself, something personal. I don't necessarily need to get every piece that I write published. I feel the best way to start is to start small and take baby steps. You can start by writing in your daily journal. There is no one to judge you there. Then, maybe you can read what you have written. Do you like it? Do you want to continue? It's not that people can't write or have no good stories to tell. It's a lie that we have convinced ourselves because we are scared. And sometimes I think we are just pure lazy and have different priorities. So try to take baby steps, one word at a time, one sentence at a time. I love to write. Why? Because it brings me a lot of joy, and I think you should too. So today is the 12th of June and it's a Saturday, and I have decided to challenge myself to read 30 books in 30 days. I don't know why am I trying to put myself through this, but let's see how far I can go. And I'll be reading 30 books, and I think it's a great way for me to finish off reading all the books that have been lying in my shelf for God knows how many years. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting journey, and let's see if I can finish reading 30 books in 30 days. And of course, I'll make a follow-up video too, so stay tuned for that. I've picked up some fictional as well as non-fictional books, English as well as Assamese books, and so yeah, these are the books that I'll be reading. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope to see you next week.